Hi Cancer, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your careers, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Cancerians, it's quite an exciting month. It's a month of eclipses. We have a lunar eclipse followed by a solar eclipse. We also have the gorgeous Venus that's doing a crazy dance with the wild boy of astrology, Uranus. Mid-month, we also have the Mercury that's shining its bright light. Let me break down the month for you. We begin the month with Venus, that is moving into a part of your chart that is all about your work. It's about your career, your reputation, how it is that you want people to perceive you, how it is that you want to be projecting yourself to the outlay, to the world outside. And you're going to be feeling quite attractive, confident, and you're going to be sort of be putting the right foot out. And this is a time where you can expect a lot of good work coming your way. However, Uranus is still sitting over there, and he's going to be causing some amount of mischief. It can be that you may choose something which is quite unconventional. You may get drawn to things or to career, to workspaces which are very unusual, which are very original. You could be working with people who are very, maybe it's a startup which is doing very different things. It can also be that you are doing work which is maybe not in the traditional sense considered per se as work. And this is a time wherein that you are put across people who will appreciate originality and even eccentricity to a certain extent. I think a lot of focus is there on your own ability to think, your own ability to create newer things for yourself. With Uranus being over there, be willing to stay, to start all over again. It may happen multiple times with you, and you may just sort of get frustrated and say, oh, why is this contract not lasting for me, and why is it that it didn't carry on? But the trick with Uranus is that you will get opportunities. They may not last, but they'll keep happening. So be willing to sort of blow it up and start all over again. And remember to stay flexible. On the 8th, we have Mercury that is moving into your house of joint finances, resources, sexuality, and intimacy. And a lot of conversations around power struggles, a lot of conversations around, or even thoughts around who gives what, how does the money get shared, or even how does the power get shared. Are you being bullied at work? Do you feel that maybe you're being you're being given the short end of the stick? It can also be that whatever it is that gets presented at this point of time, you're going to be in a good way be almost sort of in a very investigative mode. You're going to be digging deep under the surface, and you're going to be more serious than usual, Cancerians, and you're not going to be happy spending too much of time on frivolous conversations. On the 11th, we have a powerful a lunar eclipse that is there in your house of money. And the eclipse energy normally lasts for about 6 months after when the eclipse has taken place. So it's speaking about your finances. It's talking about your ability to earn money and to be able to sustain yourself. It can be for some of you, you finish a project at this point of time. It can also be that a contract comes to an end and you're about to start a new contract, and because this house also rules self-esteem and values, you could be confronted with a lot of issues regarding that. It can be that you could feel slightly bogged down, or you could feel that you are being sort of put up for inspection, or your values, or maybe you're having to compromise your values to a certain extent. Now, how much value you may feel you have, and how much value, whether it is materially or intrinsically, and how much value that you feel that you should be having, other issues that can get cropped up during this time. Now, let others know what you want, stick up for yourself, Cancerians, and sort of just push ahead in your career. And but resist the urge to rub your accomplishments in as well. Try not to sort of get too cocky and say that, oh, I know I've done this before and I can do it, and whatever. But try and show and walk the right path. Stay humble, stay committed to your work, and do the right thing. Try not to sort of get onto the side wherein that you have to either indulge in maybe ways which are not very transparent, or maybe even be little devious and manipulative, because this could sort of backfire. So be transparent. On the 19th, we have Sun that is moving into your house of expansion of the mind and spirituality, and also some amount of travel. And then on the 20th, we have a solar eclipse over here. And then finally on the 26th, we have Mercury that is coming and joining. So quite a party that we are having in the house of expansiveness. Now it's all about it's about higher mind and consciousness, and it's about higher education as well. And now with a new moon over here, there can almost be sort of a need to learn more, a need to maybe skill yourself more, maybe understand more about your work. Maybe some of you will just study more, and some of you can pick up another course, and some of you can also maybe your organization just may send you for another course, or get you certified about something. And because this house also rules long distance travel and some amount of legal issues as well, it can be that you could be tackling with some legalities, with some paperwork, some contracts during this time. And for some of you, it can be that you have to travel long distance in order to sort of get that knowledge, and which will expand your mind, and it will open up further more opportunities for you. However, try not to commit yourself to something which is really long term, Cancerians, because your state of mind is not really on the minute details during this month. So stick to shorter duration commitments that are there, so that you can achieve them. And then later, after this month is over, try and sort of look at the more detail oriented and more longer duration things that may be there. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Cancerians. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.